In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP NY 6155E all-in-one printer. First step is to switch on the printer and then lift it from this side, and the ink chamber will move and come into the position. To unlock the ink cartridges, press it down and then you can take it out. Take your new ink cartridges. This printer uses Tricolour and black 68 ink cartridge. So place it here and then push it in. You will hear a lock sound. Press the door down and you can just slowly close it. Go to the printer display panel to see if we have installed it properly or not. And we can also check the ink level. So scroll to the end and click on the supplies and we can see the estimated level of ink. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.